Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making rava idli. For rava idli, you need local rava or medium rava, not the very fine or very thick. Okay, I've taken half a kilo of this. And for garnishing, you need mustard and chana dal. I have put very small quantity of haldi, that is turmeric. Then this is fresh, finely washed and cut curry leaves. Okay, this is cashew nuts and asafoetida, hing, and green chili, washed and finely cut green chili. This is coriander. Okay, so now what you do is you have to dry fry this till it is hot. It should not change color. It should not become a brown color. Okay. Now everything is ready. Let me give a good garnishing. I've taken 2 spoons of oil. Any oil you can take, and 2 spoons of ghee. What usually I do is I give a good tadka and mix rava and keep it in a pouch. So whenever you want to make upma or you want to make rava idli, you can just take it out, add curd and make rava idli. Otherwise add vegetables and give a fresh tadka and make upma. So this is very easy and very handy. You can make a half a kilo or 1 kilo and refrigerate it. That's what usually I do it, and especially for rava idli. Let's wait for the oil to get heated up. I love rava idli. With rava idli, it is sagu. Sagu is nothing but, onion and potato sabji. It will be little gravy, but you are not going to add any masala to that, and with a fine coconut chutney. So this goes very well with that. Let it become hot. Especially for busy mothers, this is a very good option. Okay, it's hot now. Let me add asafoetida. Okay, now let me add mustard seeds. I told you, when you fry rava, it should become hot. When you touch it, it should be very hot, but it should not change its color. Let the mustard splutter. Okay, now add chana dal and a little haldi. Wait for the chana dal to turn pink. Yes. Now you can add green chilies. Then curry leaves. When you add curry leaves, be careful. The oil may splash on your body. Now put off the gas, put off the flame. Add the cashew. I have already fried cashew. Then Now to this add fried rava. Give a thorough mix, and once it is cool, you can fill it in any container or a Ziploc cover and store it. Now I am going to store half, and the remaining half I am going to make rava idli. I'll just show you how to make a very soft and tasty rava idlis. Here your upma or your rava idli mixture is ready. Once it is cool, you can store it. Yeah, now I have taken the required rava, okay, for rava idli. Now actually when you take 1 cup rava and when you soak it in curd, it becomes 1¼ okay. So add the required salt, okay. Now add about 4 spoons of sour curd. The curd should be sour. If it is bland, rava idli will not taste good. Okay, mix well. I don't add soda or anything. Okay, now add water to make the consistency for idli. After adding curd, you need not soak it for long. Just soak it for 2 minutes. Then check, because sometimes the rava, most of the times rava takes the water. So check the consistency before you prepare idli. See, this is the right consistency here. Now let me wait for 2 minutes. Let this soak for 2 minutes before we put it in the idli mold. Here, see, the water is less, so let me add a little bit of water. To make idlis, if you are using the cooker, keep the water and let the water boil. Once the water boils, then you need to keep the idlis. Okay. Now let me add it in the mold, idli stand, whatever you call it as. So I have filled all the idli molds. Now let me keep it because the water is boiling here. Now steam this for 20 to 25 minutes. I'll come back to you once it is steamed. In the meantime, see here the idli is getting steamed. In the meantime, I wanted to show you the kashayam that I drink almost every day. This is very good because this helps in arresting cough, cold, congestion in the chest for a normal health. Okay, what I'm growing all these herbs in my garden. Okay, this is called as adosa. Adosa in Sanskrit, Adu Tode or Adu Toda in Tamil or Kannada. Okay, this is a very good herb, and this is Amruta Balli. The name itself suggests Amruta. This is very, very good. See, even if you have a fever, just make a kashayam of this and drink. This is very good. This is Ajwain Ka Pan. Dodapatre they say. This is variegated variety. And this is Tulsi. Tulsi, is very good for overall health. And this is lemongrass. Lemongrass. And this is adrak. That is ginger, fresh ginger. This is dry ginger. Okay. And here I have taken little methi, haldi is a must, and dhania. So what you need to do is take a bowl of water, a big bowl of water, add all these things and bring it to boil till it becomes, the water reduces to 3/4 the quantity. Okay? 1 minute. See, what you do is just do like this. You need not cut with the scissors or anything. Here, use your hand. Use your hand. Just, this is very good. Please start drinking if you have not, because the COVID-19 is seriously spreading, and this is a must for all of you. Drink every day morning and every day evening. This is really good. Even for a newborn kid, you can just give a spoon of it. Now keep it for here. It's boiling here, and this side is for tea. My everyday morning tea also has most of the things like lemongrass, tulsi, pudina, ginger, cardamom, and pepper. Sorry, you need to add peppercorns also for this. I'll be adding pepper powder now. Okay? Now allow it to boil. Here I'm adding pepper powder. If you want, you can also add cinnamon powder or a small bark of cinnamon. Here the rava idli and the chutney is ready. Chutney I have made, I've taken a cup of fresh coconut. I've added just 2 spoons of, hurgadle, okay? That is fried gram, they say. And green chili, pudina, little tamarind, salt. And I've given a tadka. And this is the kashayam. So thank you very much, friends, for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and press the bell button. You'll get the notification whenever there's YouTube video on my items. And thank you very much for watching again. Kindly make this kashayam and make it a habit to drink for your good health. Thank you again. Bye.